And we'll just finish with a little bit of cracked pepper. And there we have the smoked version of Eggs Benedict. Hi guys, my name's Glenn. I'm one of the owners of the Smokin Que, and today we're going to experiment with doing breakfast my way. So we've got beef short rib hash browns, so we're just going to deep fry those now and get them ready for brunch. Hash browns go with Eggs Benny, so I don't want to do, just out of a packet hash brown and put that with an Eggs Benny and try and sell it through low and slow. I want to incorporate the low and slow, so how best to do that? Pick something like a beef short rib, which everybody loves. Nice, meaty, gelatinous meat. Mix in with a bit of potato, form it into a hash brown, and voila. So our hash browns have been down for about 4 or 5 minutes now. They've got a nice golden colour going on them. They're nice and warm in the middle. Ready to go for assembly. I've used croissants today just to give them an extra touch. I've put them in the smoker to warm through as well, so we get a little bit of a smoky flavour coming on them. I'm not a fan of sourdoughs and the likes. I think they tend to be a bit too dense and chewy. Now we've got some smoked bacon. So this is just off-the-shelf bacon. I've added brown sugars and golden syrups and other bits and pieces to it. Cured it for another 24 to 48 hours, popped it in the smoker to just caramelise up that bacon. Now we add our eggs, which have been in the sous vide. So they just go in as a whole egg. They've been in the sous vide for 45 minutes. Finished off with a nice layer of homemade hollandaise. Everything we do homemade. If I'm going out to a restaurant, I don't want to walk into a restaurant where someone's grabbed some stuff out of a packet, put some sauces, commercial sauces and things onto it. I want that, a chef knows his products and should be able to cook to make it his own style or her own style. And we'll just finish with a little bit of cracked pepper. And there we have the smoked version of Eggs Benedict. Beautiful velvety eggs. Alright, so the Eggs Benny's up and I'm getting hungry after a long cook, so time to tuck in and see what it's like. All that meat. Oh, it's yum. Just so it flavours the crunch of that panko crumb. The slight smokiness of the beef short rib just works really, really well. Now with the bacon, because it's been double smoked, there'll be a lot more sweetness and caramelisation going on, and the wood smoke flavour. This stuff is next level. Beautiful. So thanks team, I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can give us a follow on Instagram or on Facebook. Look up the Smokin Que.